Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a fuel pump in a Nissan Altima. First, ensure you have all your tools ready, including a new fuel pump, a fuel line disconnect tool, and safety glasses. Always disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery to prevent any electrical hazards. Next, it's crucial to relieve the fuel system pressure. This step is vital for your safety and prevents fuel spray when disconnecting lines. Now, let's locate the fuel pump. In most Nissan Altima models, you'll find an access panel beneath the rear seat cushion. Carefully remove the seat and then the access panel. Once exposed, disconnect the electrical connector from the top of the fuel pump assembly. Then, using a fuel line disconnect tool, carefully detach the 2 or 3 fuel lines connected to the pump, being mindful of any residual fuel. With the lines and electrical disconnected, it's time to remove the old pump. You'll see a large retaining ring holding the pump assembly in the fuel tank. Use a specialized tool or a brass punch and hammer to carefully unscrew this ring counterclockwise. Once loose, gently lift the entire old fuel pump assembly straight out of the tank. Now, carefully insert the new fuel pump, ensuring the new O-ring is perfectly seated to prevent leaks. For the final steps, carefully reconnect all the fuel lines and the electrical connector to the new pump. Tighten the retaining ring clockwise until it's secure, ensuring a tight seal. Reinstall the access panel and the rear seat cushion. Finally, reconnect your vehicle's battery. Before starting the engine, turn the ignition to the on position for about 5 seconds, then off, repeating this 3 or 4 times to prime the new fuel pump.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.